Look at this cool box I found.
It's just a box.
I don't get it.
Abby's right, dude. It's just a box.
Check this out. It's awesome.
What am I supposed to be looking at here?
You don't see it?
Brandon, this box is empty.
There's nothing in here, dude.
Okay, your box is cool and all, but I got things to do, so I'm gonna roll out.
Yeah, sorry, Brandon. I gotta go as well. I got homework to do.
You know, I'm sure you and your box will have a lot of fun together, though. You look really happy.
Fine, I don't need you guys. Woo!
Where'd he go?
Brandon!
I'm in here!
Why?
Because it's awesome! I'm getting chased by the cops!
Why?
But, cause it's... Just get in here!
Abby, open the box. Brandon's gonna do. We can too. Abby, I'm a wee bit stuck. Could you give me a bit of help?
Of course, Riley.
Oh, come on! Abby, too?
Don't move! Woo! I told you it was fun, right, Abby? You didn't believe me. But
It is really great. Look at the palm trees. We're going to the beach today, right?
Yeah.
Justin! Come on, buddy. We miss you. Justin! Get in the box.
Alright. This is nice.
I knew you'd love it here, Justin.
I love it. Oh my gosh. This place is beautiful. Oh. My leg. Oh God. What happened?